Dog and Mouse Company. Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn about the number 1. And look who's here to help us. A big, friendly elephant. Let's find things that come in ones. Look! Here is one big elephant. Just one. Not 2, not 3, only 1. The number 1 means there is only a single thing, and today, that's our elephant friend. Oh, what did our elephant find? 1 banana. Just 1. Not 2, not 3, only 1 banana to eat. Yum! Look at this big, tall tree. How many trees do you see? That's right, just 1. 1 tree standing all by itself. Splash! That was 1 big splash in the water. The number 1 can be so much fun. Now the sun has set, and look, there is only 1 bright star shining in the sky. Just 1, all alone in the night. Great job, everyone. Today we learned about the number 1. We saw 1 big elephant, 1 banana, 1 tree, 1 splash, and 1 bright star. So many ones. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.